Hey guys, welcome to Digi review. In this video, I am going to discuss about StockRush version 2.0 updated version that gives you everything you need to create a six-figure recurring income. It has with new features, tapped into the power of AI, also with the powerful agency license, and it's done for the agency website so you can make big profits selling stock media to others. It's a complete system that gives you everything you need to create a six-figure recurring income. Here's what included inside StockRush 2.0: over 5 million stocks, media image, videos, illustration, vectors and more. Here's the glimpse of StockRush 2.0. To get access of the growing million of stock media files in any niche with no limits of downloads, no bandwidth limits and no monthly cost. Also the personal use license. You can use the stock media inside StockRush for any of your own projects without additional fees, rest and ease of that you won't be used for viewing copyright media because you have full unrestricted access to all the media inside StockRush. Please watch the video till end so that you can get the coupon to get the 20% discount on the StockRush. Also, it has an agency license. You can get exclusive agency license so you can sell stock media to others, get paid and keep 100% of the profits for yourself. It's a real six-figure business opportunity. Choose from 5 stunning done for you agency websites. We are including 5 done for you agency websites that are prone to land clients. Smart lead generation system included. It has a powerful lead generation system that gets you out client leads and makes it easier than to build targeted list in any niche with the click of your mouse. Built-in payment system. Keep things simple and colored. Client payment right inside StockRush dashboard with our built-in payment system that keeps everything in one place and makes it easy to get paid every day. Also, it has a improved dashboard. Entire StockRush dashboard a facelift. It looks better and it's easier to use than ever before, so user can quickly navigate and get their hands on the media they need with a few clicks. Step-by-step training. Although everything is newbie friendly, it has a powerful step-by-step training that shows you exactly how to start landing high-paying clients today. Just have a look into a small sample of the millions of stock media collections available for any niche. If you take example of videos, I'll just play one of the video. Also, you can see some of the images, illustrations, GIFs, vectors, and also some of the audio sample. Now is the time to take your seat at the table of the multi-billion-dollar stock media industry and ride the wave up for huge profits. To get instant access of StockRush, please check out the link in the description box. Hurry up soon, either the price may shoot up again. You can also use the coupon code of STOCK20 off to get the 20% off. Thanks for watching. If the video is useful, please do like and subscribe